Choir collaboration, uniting voices in harmony. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an intriguing concept: choir collaboration. Whether you're a music enthusiast or simply curious about English phrases, this video will shed light on what choir collaboration entails and why it's a beautiful part of musical culture. So, let's harmonize our learning journey and discover the melody behind these words. Before we delve into collaboration, let's understand what a choir is. A choir is a group of singers who perform together, typically organized by voice type. Choirs can vary in size and style, ranging from small ensembles to large choruses, and they perform various musical genres. The key element here is unity. A choir brings individual voices together to create a singular, powerful musical expression. Now, onto the heart of our topic: collaboration. Collaboration in a choir setting means working together harmoniously, pun intended, to achieve a common goal. This involves not just singing together, but also blending voices, balancing parts, and often, combining different choirs to create something larger and more impactful. Choir collaboration can occur between choirs from different schools, communities, or even countries, showcasing the universal language of music. Engaging in choir collaboration offers numerous benefits. Cultural exchange. When choirs from different backgrounds come together, it's an opportunity for cultural exchange and understanding. Skill enhancement. Singers can learn new techniques and improve their vocal abilities by interacting with other vocalists. Community building. Collaborations foster a sense of community and friendship among participants, united by their love for music. Emotional connection. Through shared musical experiences, choir members can form deep emotional connections, both with each other and with their audience. To bring the concept to life, let's look at some examples. Imagine two choirs from different countries coming together for a joint concert, singing in multiple languages and showcasing the diversity of musical traditions. Or consider a virtual choir project, where singers record themselves individually, and their voices are blended together digitally, creating a global choir that transcends geographical boundaries. Choir collaboration is more than just singing together. It's about creating harmony and diversity, learning from each other, and building bridges between cultures. We hope this video has given you a deeper appreciation for the beauty and power of choir collaborations. Whether you're a singer, a music lover, or an English language learner, there's something truly magical about uniting voices in harmony. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating topics with you. Keep singing, keep learning, and see you in our next video.